Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Yes? Okay. We are with the first lesson, learning large numbers, and we are in the last topic, that is Roman numbers. Okay. Before we start about Roman numbers, just I'll ask you a question. Which class are you? Write in your book, which class are you? Okay. Some may write 4th standard. Some may write 4th standard. Yes. You have written 4 like this. You might have seen in your school. Above the classroom, classes are written. They might have written 1st standard, 2nd standard, 3rd standard, 4th standard, 5th standard, like this up to 10. And you know how to write this also. You know how to read this also. Some other places you can see like this. Where is that? Maybe on a clock, maybe anywhere else? Yes. So you might have seen such numbers in different places. In railway station, yes. On the clock you might have seen. Or any other place if you have seen. Such numbers are called Roman numbers. Let me tell you what are these numbers now. Numbers 0 to 9. These are all digits which we are using to write different numbers. These are Hindu Arabic numbers or numerals. Okay, these are nine. We have these digits, but using these digits we write some more numbers, and all these numbers are Hindu Arabic numbers or Hindu Arabic numerals. Yes, but many years ago, a new number system was introduced, that is Roman numbers. It was introduced in Rome. Yes, Roman people were using the symbols. They introduced some symbols to write numbers, and they were called Roman numbers. Okay? Yes. Let us see now what are the symbols that are used. Roman numbers. What are the symbols that are used? I, B, X, L, C, D, M. numbers used. IVXLCDM. You by heart this children. IVXLCDM. Yes. What is this symbol for? Seven symbols are there. How many symbols are there? Seven. I is for 1, V is for 5, X is for 10, N is for 50, C is for 100, D is for 500, M is for 1000. You may ask, ma'am, only these numbers, then how do we write other numbers which we are using in our number system? If we have to write in Roman numbers, how to write that? I'll explain to you that also. Children, you just open page number 83 and just follow what I am explaining. The rules are there in page 83. How to write the Roman numbers. I'll explain it to you. You just open page 83. Yes. Are you ready? Let us understand all the rules given for writing Roman numbers. Yes. First rule says okay. First rule says a symbol can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. Yes, it is 3 times you can repeat a symbol. Now, not all the symbols. Which symbol I will tell you? We can repeat only 3 times. Which are the symbols we can repeat 3 times? I think you have seen third standard written or 3 written in Roman number. Yes. So, I can be repeated 3 times. Then we cannot repeat 5. We cannot repeat. X you can repeat 3 times. And C. So these 3 symbols can be repeated 3 times. Means if you have to write 3, you will write it as, I will just write it here. If you want to write 3, you will write it as 3 times I. If you want to write 30, you will write it as X 3 times. If you want to write 300, you will write it as C. So, this is the way we are going to write. Yes, we can repeat only I, X and C. M also you can't repeat. Okay, so only I, X and C you are going to repeat. You have got it? Yes. What is the second rule? Second rule says, just go through the rule children, it says, if a symbol of lower value means lesser value, is placed before a symbol of higher value, then subtract the lower value from the higher value. I think this sentence you leave, I will give you simple example. Yes? What is this? Your class. What is this? Which class are you studying? 4th standard. What happened here? I is smaller number, that is 1. Yes, it is written before bigger number, that is 5. So it is minus 1. 5 minus 1. This is what they have told in the second rule. Any smaller number written before bigger number, you will minus. But there is a certain rule, that is I can be subtracted from V and X only. I will write the rule. Smaller number written before greater number, then smaller number to be subtracted. Okay. worry. It is there in your textbook. What is the meaning? I will tell you. You have to subtract smaller number which is written first from the greater number which is written afterwards. If you don't understand this sentence, understand this example. I from B means it is 5 minus 1, that is 4. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Then Ix, it is 10. Yes, minus 1, that is 9. Now, you may say, ma'am, I can be subtract from L. I can be subtract from D. No, there are some rules. I can be subtracted only from B and X. Okay, I can be, this is Roman number, can be subtracted only from V and X. Okay, then we have another one called, another one is X. Yes, XL. That is, just see, first you by heart this children, then this will be easy for you. Now, again X is 10. 10 is smaller number, it is written before L, that is 50. So here again 50 minus 10, that is 40. Again you are subtracting. Then XC. So it is, C is 100. 100 minus 10, that is 90. Like this it is. Now X can be subtracted only from, you can write here. X can be subtracted only from which two Roman numbers? L and C. Yes? So this is over. Now, next one. What is the next thing? Last part, that is C. Yes? C. Let us see how we will do. We will do CD. That is, again, C is smaller number. It is written before bigger number 500. C is 100. So 500 minus 100 is 400. Again CM, that is M is 1000 minus 100, that is 900. So there is another rule here. C is a Roman number, can be subtracted only from B and M. All these are Roman numbers, children. Vx, L, C. So now till here you know. Got it? How to subtract a Roman number when it is written before a bigger Roman number, and how to get the numbers. Now, third rule. This is the second rule I have explained. Now, what is the third rule? When you write a Roman number, after a Roman number, you have to add that Roman number. Let me explain again with an example. Example is, how do you write 6th standard? Tell me, how do you write 6th standard? Yes. Yes. You might have seen in front of your sister's classroom or friend's classroom, it will be written like this. And you might be telling, ma'am, he is in 6th standard. See here, Roman number I is written after V. and that's why it is added to B. For B is 5 plus 1. That is I is written after B. So you have to add. So third rule is, I will just explain the rule with the different examples. Okay, that sentence is there. If a symbol of lower value is placed after the symbol of higher value, then you have to add the values. That is there in textbook. Let me give it with a few examples. Now, yes, this is 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now, with the 10. Same way, how you did before, you were subtracting. When you write smaller value of Roman number before any greater value number, what you are doing? Minus. So here in the same way, now if you write after, that is I is written after V, means you have to add 5 plus 1, 6. Now 10 plus 1, 11. Yes, of course, this you can repeat 3 times, that is the different case. Now this have you understood? When you write after, you have to add. I is for, I can be added for what? For same as before, B and X. Yes, next. For I and B and X only. Then X, what will happen? Yes? Like this, if you write, you have to add. Of course, I can be added to any number, means like 501 means D and I, 1001 means M and I, that is also okay. But when we write 6, 11 and all, like this it will come. Here it comes as 60, 110, 50 plus 10. Here it is 100 plus 10, like this. Okay, but of course here that rule you need not follow, that it should come with this, I should come with B and X only, X should come with L and C only. It doesn't matter, because for example, if suppose you are writing 510. Yes, so what will you do? What is 500? D. What is 10? X. So X comes with any number. If suppose you write 501, how do you write? D and 1. Got it? So, how we had rules for subtracting, same way you need not follow. It can come together with any other thing, but for bigger numbers like this, when you write, it will come. Okay? Yes. Now, 100. Then 100, how it will come? Yes. How will you add? D, C. Yes. 1000, C. That is here 500 plus 100. Here 1000 plus 100. Like this it will come. Okay. So when it comes to other side, after the number how you are adding, that's what I have shown. Okay. Yes. Now next rule. Just go to the fourth rule. It is explained already. I can be subtracted from B and X only. X can be used before and after L and C. Now come to page number 84. Here we have one last rule. It is given, B and L are never repeated. Even D is not repeated, children. If suppose, for example, you want to write, I'll explain that rule. If suppose you want to write 10, How will you write 10? Yes, there is a symbol here X. We won't write it as this is wrong. Yes, this is wrong. We write it as 10. If you want to write 100, same way, how will you write? This is wrong. Sorry. L, L, 50, it is wrong. We write it as C. Same way, 1000. How will you write 1000? Will you write D, D? Is it correct? No. You cannot repeat. It is written as M. Okay, so that is the last rule which is explained. I think I have explained all the rules. Now, just you go to exercise 1.7 children, page 84. Everyone open page 84. Go to exercise 1.7. Yes. Can you see the table given children? Yes, I'll read out the question. Observe the tables and fill in the blanks. So, they have given Hindu Arabic numbers and they have written the Roman numbers. First box is done for you. They have written there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think up to 10 you know. You are observing in school also. The class is written. Yes. Now let us go to next one. First you write down the question. Everybody. Exercise 1.7. Give the heading children. Roman numbers. I hope all have finished exercise up to 1.6. Neatly written line after each main. Yes, completed up to exercise 1.6. Now go to exercise 1.7. First question says, observe the table and fill in the blanks. Read the question and write children. Observe the table and fill in the blanks. Write the question. Ready? Yes. You need not just write this table. Just you can write the answer. First one A. Up to 10 they have written and you also know. Yes. 11. Whenever you write any Indo-Arabic number into Roman number, you have to just split the number and write. That is, 11 is 10 plus 1. That is, just see they have given there. It is x plus I. That is xi. Just to see how they have written. Did you observe how they have written? Yes. I think all other numbers you can write. 12. How do you write? 10 plus 2. That is 10. X plus I. That is xii. It is very easy, right? Yes. Up to 9 if you know. They have given up to 9. I think after that you can write. Yes? Is it okay? Yes. When you complete this, up to 17 it is given. Yes? See, there only it is there. How to write 1 to 9 and 10 to 90. So, seeing that you have to write up to 17 you write. Okay? Yes. Now, let us go to this you complete children. I am not going to write. This is first May. Write up to 17. It is there in textbook how to write. Same way you have to write. Means they have given 1 to 9 and 10 to 90, 10, 20, 30 and all. Accordingly you have to write. 1 to 9 is there. Seeing that x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, like that. 13, x plus 4, 14, like that you have to write. Okay. Now go to second main. Yes. What does the second main say? Write the equivalent Hindu Arabic numbers for the following. Write down the question. Write the equivalent Hindu Arabic numbers for the following. Write down. Read the question and write, children. It is very important. You should know how to read a question because you should know what is the meaning of the question. Write the equivalent Hindu Arabic numbers. Means they will give us the Roman numbers. You have to write the Hindu Arabic number. Just see, they have given Roman number. First one, they have given X, I. Just you have to read the number. X is what? 10. Then what is given? 1, 2, 3. Directly if you write 13 also, no problem. Okay, is it understood? Yes. Next one. I think it is very easy. I need not do it for you. But still 2 I will do. X, B. What is this now? X is 10 plus lesser number comes this side means you have to add plus 5. That is 15. Yes. Now next one. I will not do it for you. I has come first. Then X. I is smaller than X. Yes. Should I do? Yes. First let me see you do in your books. I is come first. Then X. So you have to. I is for 1. X is for 10. So you have to subtract 1 from 10. Okay, let me write, but I hope you have written before me. Ix, that is 10 minus 1 because I has come before x. So it is 9. Other two sums, I think you can do it. It is very easy. Yes. Now, let me go to third main. This I want you to complete. Still two more are there. Complete it. Then go to third main. Just see what third main says. It says that you have to write corresponding Roman numbers. Yes. Read the question. Write. Read the question and write. It is page 85 now. It is in page 85. Second and third question is in page 85, children. Read the question and write. Write the corresponding. Corresponding means which is same as what you are writing in Hindu Arabic. Corresponding Roman numbers for the following. Now what are corresponding Roman numbers? That is, if suppose they are given a Hindu Arabic number, how do you write this in Roman numbers? That you have to write. I. You write like this or plain I. That is also okay. Yes, second one, 15. How do you write 15? Yes, 10 plus 5. Shall I do one more or you will do? Okay, one more I will do. That is 18. How do you write 18? X is 10, B is 5, 1, 2, 3. Everything is given in textbook page 84. How to write 8? Everything is given. Just observe. 3 times you can repeat a Roman number. That is I is repeated 3 times. Can you see? Then X plus B, that is 10 plus 5, 15 plus 1, 2, 3, 16, 17, 18. Same way you write all the other numbers. Three more questions are there. Four more. D is 4, E is 9, F is 7, G is 5. I hope you will complete this main. Yes? Okay. Then, one more small work I will give you. I think you can do it. Let me see how you will do. Yes? Can you write Roman numbers from 1 to 100? Can you write? Yes, this is the last part in classwork. My own question I am giving. You can take down as fourth main. Complete this third main, children. Not only C, you have D, E, F and G. All this you have to write. Okay. Then again on sleeping line, write down the fourth question. Write Roman numbers from 1 to 100. Let me see how you will write 1 to 100 in classwork itself. Neatly you have to write. Is it okay? Like 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, then 21 to 30, 31 to 40, like that. Take a page, full page, no problem. Neatly you have to write up to 100. Okay? If you have any doubts, I will clarify it in WhatsApp class. But I want you to try at least in draft book. Then you can write in class work. So, here we come to an end of the first lesson. Yes? Now, there are some activities in page 86 and 87 that I want you to do. That is values for life, life skills, fun time, all those are there that you have to complete and keep in textbook only. You have to complete it in textbook only. Okay? Yes. Now, let us go to the next lesson, that is addition and subtraction. We will move on to the next lesson, children, that is addition and subtraction. Yes, it is a very easy concept which you are learning right from first standard. There is nothing much to learn in this. Only thing is you are using this concept with bigger numbers. Okay, so I will directly start. It is very easy concept. Only thing you have to concentrate here is you have to write numbers properly one below the other according to the place value. That is most important thing which you have to follow in addition and subtraction. All other things you already know how to add, how to carry, how to borrow, everything. So just we will go on doing the sums. You have to answer. That's it. But only thing is numbers should be written properly one below the other. If I see that you have written numbers cross, you will have to rewrite the notes. Because that is only the most important part in addition or subtraction or wherever maths part comes. Numbers have to be written very neatly one below the other. Okay. Now directly we can go to exercise 2.1. You know what is addition? Yes. What is addition? Addition is you are putting the numbers together. What are the numbers called? Those numbers are called addends. And when you add them, when you put them together, you get the answer which is called sum. Yes, numbers which we put together are addends. Answer which we get is called a sum. Yes, that is what you have to know. Now let us start with exercise 2.1 first main. Question says add the following. One sum I will do, children. Other sums I think you have to do. It is very easy. Three sums are there. First sum is, only thing is what you have to concentrate, I will tell you. Writing numbers one below the other. That is most important. That is what you have to remember. Okay? Yes. So, 10,000's place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. This place value please write down. All three sums should be written like this. 3, 4, 1, 6, 2. Second number 1, 5, 2, 3, 6. Is it correct? Yes. Now, how do you add this? Very easy, children. I don't think I need to explain. Still, I will explain it for you. Always bigger number in mind. If there are two numbers, 6 plus 2 or 2 plus 6. 6 in mind, 2 in hand. After 6, 7, 8. Always bigger number in hand. Mind will make your addition easy. 6 plus 3. 6 in mind, 3 in hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 5. Keep bigger number in mind. 5 in mind, 4 in hand. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. I think other two sums you can do. B and C. These three sums I want in your class work like this only. Same way you have to write. Is it okay? It should be done. Don't leave it up. Okay. Now go to page 91. Go to page 91. This was in page 90, children. Exercise 2.1 first main in page 90. Now you go to page 91. Yes. Page 91. Just you have to go on doing the sums. Arrange in columns and find the sum. This is the second main. Arrange in columns. That is, they are saying you have to write numbers one below the other and find the sum. Now, first one, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2. That is 2432. I think place values are not required. I hope you can write numbers one below the other. Now 146. Where do you write 146? 100 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 6 in ones place. Just observe. If you have so much confusion, of course you can write. But I think you are in 4th standard, you can write numbers like that only. If you have confusion, write place value, no problem. But I want numbers one below the other. Now how do you add this? 6 plus 2, 6 in mind, 2 in hand. After 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 4. Option is there. You can keep 3 in mind or 4 in mind. Bigger number in mind makes addition easy. So 4 in mind, 3 in hand. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 2. Nothing is there to add. So this is how you are adding. First sum I have done. You want me to do second one also? Okay, let me do 12,068 plus 2,437. Here carryover is there. That's why I have taken 12,068 plus 2,437. Again, just see children, thousands place should come below thousands only. Neatly write the numbers. I want it like this only. Yes, 8 plus 7. 8 in mind, 7 in hand. Yes, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, what do you write down? Ones place down, tens place. 6 plus 3. 6 in mind, 3 in hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus 1, 10, 0. Ones place down, tens place up. 0 plus 4. 0 plus any number. Any number plus 0 is the same. 0 plus 4 is 4 only. Plus 1, 5. Then 2 plus 2. Very easy. 4. And 1 as it is. Now this answer you have got. Third sum I want you only to do. Okay? Yes, it is 9,689 plus 473. It is there in page 91, children. Observe third sum, C, second main. Yes, you have to do it. Next, fourth sum, let me do. Third sum is easy. Complete it, okay? Yes. Don't leave. I will not write, but you have to write. Fourth sum, 2,763, 2,436 plus 723. Just check the numbers, 2,763, 2,436, 723. Observe when you write, children. Any number of numbers are given also, you should write properly one below the other. Very, very important. Now, 3 plus 6 plus 3. Here you don't bother about bigger number, just go on adding because you will miss any number. 3 plus 6. 3 in mind, 6 in hand. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is not over. Again plus 3. So 9 in mind, again 3 in hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Now what should you write down here? Ones place, 2, 1 carry. Yes. 6 plus 3. 6 in mind, 3 in hand. After 6, 7, 8, 9. That is not over. Plus 2. 9 in mind, 2 in hand. After 9, 10, 11. That is not over. One carry is there. Plus 1, 12. One carry. 7 plus carry you keep like that only. This you add first. 7 plus 4. 7 in mind, 4 in hand. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 11 in mind, 7 in hand. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This you added. Plus 1, 19. 1 carry. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1, 5. So this is the answer you have got. Just check. Yes. Other two sums I want you only to do because it is simple addition. Is it okay? Yes. Now, till second main we have finished. Let us go to third main. What is the third main say now? It says, find the number that is 127 more than 65,349. When we say more than, what do you do? For example, if I say you have to give 2 rupees more than 10 to me, means 2 2 rupees more than 10 means it is 12. What did you do there? 10 plus 2. In the same way here also, they have given a question. Find the number that is 127. That is 127 more than 65,349. It is nothing but you have to add 127 more than this number. So answer is 65,349 plus 127. Again remember children, write numbers exactly one below the other according to place value. You should not write any number towards this side, towards left side, always towards right side you have to start. So 9 plus 7. How do you add? 9 in mind, 7 in hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How do you write 16? 6, 1, carry. 4 plus 2, 4 in mind, 2 in hand. After 4, 5, 6. Carry over is there. Plus 1, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 5, nothing is there to add. 6, nothing is there to add. So it is 65,476. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Are you all in page number 91? Yes. Fourth question says, add the greatest 4-digit number to the sum of smallest 5-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. First thing, we will try to write all that given, what they have given. Greatest 4-digit number, smallest 5-digit number, greatest 3-digit number. Then we will do the remaining part. Is it okay? Yes. So fourth question says some different thing. Addition only or subtraction, whatever. But we should know first what is the greatest, smallest number. So fourth question they have given, add the greatest 4-digit number. Write down the question children. Why I am writing is I want you to read and write. So write when I am reading and writing. Add the greatest 4-digit number to the sum of the smallest 5-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number. Yes. Now add the greatest 4-digit number to the smallest sum of smallest 5-digit and the greatest 3-digit number. First we will write down in one side. What are the things? Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is, yes, 9999. 9999. This I have taught you in the last class, last lesson, first lesson. Then smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? Yes, 10,000. Then last one, greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest three-digit number? 9,900. Sorry, 999. Greatest three-digit number is 999. Now our work is sum of smallest five-digit number and greatest three-digit number we have to do first. So, answer is smallest five-digit number, that is 10,000, and greatest three-digit number. What is the greatest three-digit number? 999. So you add these two numbers, you will get the sum. Yes, you got the sum. That is what they have asked, correct? Yes. Then next question, next part is add the greatest. This is sum. What you have got. Yes. Now you take the greatest four-digit number. This sum you take. Next part of the answer. What is the sum of those two numbers? Smallest five-digit and greatest three-digit. What is the sum of smallest five-digit and greatest three-digit? 10,999. For this you add the greatest four-digit number, that is 9,999. Yes. Will you add this, children? Find the answer. 9 plus 9. Yes. 9 in mind, 9 in hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, it comes 18 in the sense 8 here, 1 carry. Now again 9 plus 9, it is 18, plus 1 carry, so 19. Again 1 carry, 9 plus 9 again it is 18, 1 carry, 19, 1 carry. Here 9 plus 0 is 9, plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, that is 20. 20,998 is the answer. Okay. Now let me stop here because I think you can complete up to here. Then we will continue with the next class. I have started with the Roman numbers, that is lesson number 1, last part. Then I have continued with the second lesson, that is addition and subtraction. I think it is very easy lesson because just you are learning larger numbers in that. There is no new concept. So I have directly started with addition. I hope you all will complete the work. Addition and subtraction lesson starts from page 88. Just observe, children. Exercise 2.1 starts from page 90 and we have come up to exercise 2.1 fourth sum. Complete till here. We will meet in the next class with some more sums of addition and subtraction. Okay? Yes. Thank you.